Hey everybody, I'm trial attorney Ryan Pacyga, and I want to let you know why I'm doing what I'm doing next. And that is that now I'm representing people that are seriously injured, especially in truck crashes. Not only truck crashes, but especially in semi-truck crashes. And I'm going to tell you why. For years and years, I did serious criminal cases, both in federal and state court. So I actually took on the power of the United States government. And they have endless resources available from the FBI and other agencies. They got U.S. attorneys prosecuting cases. They got all the taxpayer money and all of those tools that they can do to prosecute someone. And of course, they only pick the cases if they charge a crime that they think they can win. The odds are insurmountable in a federal criminal case or your serious state court cases like murder and other serious allegations. And I've won trials in those cases, and I've had some of those cases dismissed as well. I've had uncommonly good results in those cases, despite those huge odds against my clients. And I want to bring that fight to people now against the trucking companies and their insurers, because guess what? These are billion-dollar agencies, and they've got a lot of power and training through their insurance lawyers, through all the money that these trucking companies put into their resources for their investigations, all to avoid paying you just money if you've been wrongfully injured in a truck crash. These things are gigantic. Do you have any idea how much they weigh when they're loaded? And when they're coming down the road and barreling down the road at you, and they've got a driver that isn't paying attention or is breaking the traffic rules or falling asleep or playing on their phone or not observing safe following distances or driving in real bad weather and not driving carefully enough. That's just some of it. Sometimes these things aren't properly maintained because these companies want to save a little bit of money and get a little more mileage out of their tires or a little more mileage out of their brakes, or not repair these things the right way when they're broken down, all leading to it being very serious on the road. And that can really kill people, that can seriously injure them. And so I'll tell you what, I know that if I can take on the federal government and win, and I know when I can take on a state's top prosecutors and win a trial, despite everybody thinking that my client was guilty, I know what I can do to these insurance lawyers, and I know what I can do to these trucking lawyers. Yeah, the reality is that I've got more trial experience than most of them put together. And now I bring that fight for you. And the reason that I'm doing it is that I've seen what these things can do to people, and I've seen what these insurance companies try to do people, and it just isn't fair. So I can use my time and my talent to help people, all right? And that's why I'm doing what I do, because these things are huge. The amount of dollars that they have are huge. The resources that they have are huge. And all this time I've been representing the little guy or the little person in these fights, and now I'm bringing that fight for you as well, because I care about this stuff and I can't wait to help people out. If you think I might be a good fit for you, you can contact me. I'm trial attorney Ryan Pacyga. I'll bring the fight to these trucking companies. I promise you that. You can reach me at 612-339-5844.